Hello dear friends, welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. Many of the students asked me to talk about the probable dates, time and method of examination since my past videos and predictions matched with the results or the outcomes or the different notices. So let's start. See, my prediction in this regard is if lockdown ends and college and universities reopens on 10th of June as per West Bengal Higher Education Department, probably I'm discussing here for final semester, final year terminal students as well as for intermediate students. Let's move forward. If lockdown ends, then for final semester or final year terminal students. First point here, I need to consider that all practical project Viva Voce will be completed by June 2020. Secondly, 1 month preparation time for computer based test. Each and every student for final semester is going to get 1 month time for computer based test and preparation. Now, thirdly, for terminal students, examination pattern will be MCQ type. 30 questions of 1 marks equals to 30 marks and 20 questions of 2 marks equals to 40 marks. Total 70 marks, time allotted 2 hours since it's a computer based test. Fourthly, examination will be held on July 2020 and result will be out by last week of July 2020 or max to max first week of August 2020. Lastly, the most important point, this is the fifth point, final year students having backlog in other semester or semesters have to appear at the same time, example with final semester in computer based test with same MCQ pattern so that they can clear the backlog or backlogs irrespective of their semesters. Maybe they're having first semester backlog or maybe third semester backlog, seventh semester, fourth semester, whatever it is, a special arrangement definitely university is going to make. This is again a probability. Now let's talk about the intermediate students. Possibly intermediate students may be promoted on the based on continuous assessment only. There are chances that number of continuous assessments will increase, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 likewise, and based on situation and will be over by end of August 2020. Now, possibility to start the next session from September 2020 onwards. So these are the things which I develop or generated. This is a disclaimer, right? The following information is purely based on analysis of circulars by UGC, AICT, NCTE, higher educational institutions of central and state government, along with news channels and print media. All dates mentioned are assumptions, and Showman Nath YouTube channel cannot be held responsible for any variation in the above information at a later date. But please remember, my predictions do match because I did calculations meticulously and it is purely based on data analysis, and I have done it. I worked very hard so that you can get a glimpse of it. There might chances, but let me tell you this is a honest effort from my side to give you a brief idea what is coming. So if you are satisfied with this video, please do subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel. And let me tell you, this is for all universities in West Bengal, not only for Makaut as well as higher educational institutions. So with this, we come to an end to this session. Thank you very much for your love and support as well as criticism. So many things, your like, share, comment, and please do subscribe. Those who are subscribers, I would like to say thank you. Those who are not subscribing, please do subscribe. I also need your love as well as your comments. Thank you very much.